guys, Cheap here. This game is really long. Oh god, they're watching me. Is there anything else in here that I want to see? Okay, that's it. Okay, so normally if the question is something like just finding out which one's the liar, I wish it would stop staring at me too. Okay. So it has to be a question where the answer would be the same either way. Like, the traditional one is... I think you ask, is the other one the liar? And try to remember. Because if... Yeah, you ask a question about the other one. Because if I ask A... Oh geez, I'm sitting here trying to explain this. I'm holding up fingers so I can keep track. Okay, if I ask the left one who's the liar, and the left one is the liar, they're going to say it's the right one. If I ask the right one who's the liar, it'll say the left one. Ah, that's not right. See, that's something you can lie about. Surely to my reward is something. See, I thought that was it, but that's... Those you can all... Store where the other doll point me to. So... I think that might be it. That might be the right phrasing. Yeah, because normally you're asking them about a door or a road you're going to go down. And you ask what the other one would point me to. And the liar would point you to the wrong one. And the one telling the truth would point you to the right one.
Which door would the other doll point me to?
So if I'd asked the doll telling me the truth to show me the door to open, it would tell me to open this one. If I asked the liar which one I should open, like if... It's very complicated. I'm bad at explanations. I'm in here again. Do I blow a candle? Oh, jeez. You're a skeleton. I would check out at that point. Is that my room? Who's in the background? What just happened? Ah, maggot sound. What's that? Why is it moving? Ah! Okay, moving on. Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it. Oh no. The gate got scary again. Hi. Don't wake up. Why are you moving? Damn it! Go back to sleep. Don't be a zombie. I don't think she's a zombie. Yes, that was the appropriate response.
You treacherous, dirty bastard. I opened my heart to you, and you stabbed me to death in cold blood. You'll pay for this. I swear you will. But this means the old woman was right. I can't die. I'm immortal.
I'm awesome.
I think it's time to find out how very mortal you are, Doctor.
I'm gonna take that. Brings his victims down here in hospital body bags. Suicide note I wrote, why would I pin it up on a wall? Susan Ashworth, I live alone in this old 2-bedroom flat. Rarely go outside. Another unlucky victim of the killer. So it looks like she's been dead for a long time. Oh, that woman's got tatas out. Okay. Gah! Oh god. Seen something like this before. The living paintings. Said this here's a dead body suspended on wires and tied to a chair.
You're gonna pay for this, you bastard.
Anything else? Maybe I can use this chair as a weapon? Where do you go, chair? I went through that too fast, but... Lights, can you come back on? Use? I'm leather now might be useful for something, I guess. Okay. Oh my gosh. This body is quite badly decomposed already. While real art lasts forever, doctors' models will soon rot and fall apart. What was that second part? Sick man, how do you manage to hide all this madness? I guess he couldn't get a hold of an Ermine, so he used this creepy baby doll instead. Probably find some use for this. I'm just gonna take all of the stuff I can. Since this place has been closed down for a long time, one day when they eventually demolish it, all the evidence will get buried under the piles of rubble. This one might be the only way out of here. Liz, no! Liz, but it's impossible. I spoke to her last night. I tried to stop her from jumping. And yet, here she is, stuck on a metal rod, looking like she's been dead for a lot longer than that. What happened then? Was it just a dream? Am I really going crazy, or was she really there, just already dead? Yeah, let's take her down. I hope you at least find some peace in death. Do I have 2 iron bars? I have a bloody one and a not bloody one. It's quite sturdy with some alterations. Maybe I guess I could use this as a weapon. Quite sure what to do with it. Locked. Alright, so I need a key. Examine. Fake skeleton. It had probably been used for teaching before it ended up here. Large metal bolt lies on one of the shelves. We'll take that. Easel. Doctor probably considers himself quite the artist. Use the workbench. I know I can build one here. Okay, okay, it's not the soap. I kick those 2 bars together somehow. The wet soap! Oh. Bolt needs to be secured in place now, otherwise it will all just fall apart. Alright, so I'm missing something. Jeez! Another poor victim of the Mad Doctor. There's something shiny in one of her fingers. Melna stuck on her finger like a ring. Pull it off the finger if it wasn't so swollen and stiff. Oh! The body is positioned in the exact same way as the painting. Seems like the killer used wire to keep her head tilted to the side. Rusty metal locker. Let's open it quietly. Alright, we got a wrench now. I don't want to know what's going on in there. I'll make my weapon first. Thank you very much. Tie that up using some tool. So please, I suppose it's time to go see the doctor. I really did a great job of that. So what's the point of the... So the killer's 12 murder will contribute to his own death. So what was the point of the... I guess there wasn't a point to that chair leg. Let's see if I can use the key on that one door. Alright, that probably leads out of here since it's all bright. Let's go see if we can help the screaming lady. Oh, this is gonna be bad. It's gonna be so bad, guys.
I don't need eyes to enjoy your fear. Scream louder, little bitch. Scream your lungs out. Louder, I said. Yes, This is by far my favorite of songs. Would you like me to dance for you? Unlike you, I know all art needs to be appreciated. Your scream is like a poem without words.
He's wearing a mask and a blindfold. He's convinced I'm dead and no one knows about this place. Well, looks like you just made a big mistake, you arrogant asshole.
Your body, an instrument. I never thought you had it in you. And yet you make every fiber in my body tremble with excitement. Your body will forever be admired by those like me who understand the only pure and true form of art.
I would like to... Yeah, can we... Whoever taught you how to dance messed up. I shouldn't get too close with the weapon. Can't see me, but you can still hear me. Use. Do the Karma Doctor see in hell? Say nothing. You'll feel a sharp scratch. Oh! Oh, they're so good.
Do you believe in karma, Doc?
Not even bother him with his body.
Thank you. Thank you so much. He would have killed me. Like the others. The animal. You gave him what he deserved. Who are you?
They called me the cat lady. That's what I'm going with.
They call me the cat lady. Now get out of here. Call the police. I'm going home.
I'm a superhero now, but like a super murdering gory one. Okay, we finished chapter 2. That's gonna be the end of this episode. I hope you guys are liking this game. Ooh, river. Anyways, now I want to watch Trinity. All right.